I came to Great Oaks to learn more about the car industry, and I wanted to have a career already before I graduate school. The difference between Great Oaks and my home school, it's a lot more teamwork. You get to learn new things about people and also new things about cars. The first thing you do is iCar to get your certifications and learn how to sand fenders and paint them. My classmates, we get along well. We joke around here and there. I'm in placement and Mercedes-Benz. I get to leave to go to work after I've done my academics. I will clean, prep for paint jobs. I enjoy being there and I get paid really decent. I'm really hoping to be a auto body technician at Mercedes-Benz Collision Center. Every single day looking forward to coming to school.
Pursue your passions.
Play to your strengths.
Discover your greatness.